About the trip.
My family is facing some problems. I don't think I'll be able to come to the trip.
What is it? Is it about money?
Yes, friend. My father is not well. He is in the hospital. We are facing financial problems. My mother allowed me for the trip. But according to Lord Mahavira's teachings, taking care of our parents is our first responsibility. And as I believe my parents' health and care is my topmost priority, I am not coming.
Lord Mahavira was the 24th and last Tirthankar according to Jain philosophy. He travelled throughout the Indian subcontinent. Ahimsa in Mehrovli of Delhi is home to 13 feet 6 inches tall statue of Lord Mahavira. पिता तो सिद्धि प्राप्त राजा सिद्धार्थ, मात पिता से नाम जो पाया वह था वर्धमान नाम महान।